Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, let's introduce myself. I am a content creator here, and today we are diving into an essential tools for business of all sizes. In this step-by-step tutorial for beginners, I will show you exactly how to get started with Odoo, how it works, and how you can use it to manage your business operation all in one place. Whether you are a small business owner, freelancer, or just curious about ERP system, this video is for you. So let's jump right into it. But before starting all this thing, we just need to be understand what actually is Odoo ERP. First, let me quickly explain what Odoo is. Odoo is all-in-one open source enterprise resource planning. Its short form is ERP software. It helps you manage everything from sales, CRM, inventory, accounting to HR, project management, and even many more things all in one platform. So let me tell you that what kind of a feature, like key feature including in here. Like click over to the apps, and here you can see we have finance in here, sales and CRM, then we have invoice and accounting, then we have inventory and a warehouse. Here you can see it. Then we have project management tools, also we have HR and payroll, and also we are allowed to create website and e-commerce, as you can see it. So this best part, you can start for free with limited apps and upgrade as your business grow. But that place, so how to access Odoo? To get started, you just need to be visit on odoo.com, and here you will find out Odoo homepage, and you just need to be click over here, start now. It's free, just click over here, and you can create a free Odoo account by entering your name, email, and business information. You can also explore their online demo to test feature before sign up. So I already have an account over here, that's why I will click to the sign in. Once I click over here, then I will just click over here to the sign in, and then here, as you can see, it will be landed me here. As you can see, we have three database over that place. So let's click to this one, apps. So now we are going to discuss about Odoo dashboard overview. Once you are signed in, you will land in your Odoo dashboard. This is the database. Just click over here, dashboard, just click over here, and my account. So you can see this is the dashboard. So you just need to be like, each of these icon represent of an or module that you can use to manage different parts of your business. Odoo is modular, so you can install only what you need, keeping your interface clean and simple. As you can see, this is the thing. So now we are going to install and using basic apps. Let me quickly show you how to install and use a few basic apps. For example, we are going to install CRM app. So let's find it out. Where is the CRM apps? So you just need to find it out. Then you just need to click over here. Just click to the view all, and then let's find it out. Here you can see under the sales we have the CRM. Just click over here. Once you click over here, now eventually you can see this is the interface we will get. So I am going to click on start now. It's free. Just click over here and show how to create a sales pipeline. So here you just need to provide your address. So I am going to click on start now and demonstrate adding a lead moving to stress here. So here you can see welcome to Odoo, the one platform you will ever need to transform all your activities. This is the CRM. Just click over here, and now eventually you can see we have this. So just click over here and just click to the resend, and let's verify it before did it other work. So Odoo online, so click to the active database. So it already been activated. So let's leave this mailbox, and now eventually you can see they're telling us to provide, like they are telling us to invite our colleagues. So I will skip it. Then all done, go to instamarketers odoo.com. Just go to this one and click to the CRM, and now eventually you can see create an opportunity, start playing with your pipeline. Okay, that's great. So if you want to create a neat lead over here, just click over here and then provide all these things. Company will be Mahim Inc. Create contract 01761746144. Create, this is the contract address. Contract phone, this one is the contract phone, 4-star, and the money will be lakh, and then click to the add, and here eventually you can see it already been added. So now you can see that you are allowed to send a message over here. You can do whatever you want. So let's click to the CRM again, visit here, and if you want to drag and drop, you can see your pipeline is working perfectly. So with these apps, you can manage sales opportunity, generate invoice, and keep track of your business finance all inside the Odoo. It is really simple. Once you understand how CRM works, you can easily manage or grow your business without any people hiring. So now we are going to talk about Odoo setting and customizations. Look, Odoo is highly customizable. You just need to go to the setting. Let's go back here and just go to here, and here you can see this is the preference. You can click over here, then you can see this is the preference we have. So how to change company details, logo, users, whatever you want, you can do it. So you can add user, control permission, customize your workspace, and even connect third-party tools to enhance your Odoo experience. There are also paid versions of Odoo offering advanced features like Studio for building custom apps and more integrations. Now let me give you final tips and conclusion, that is, start with essential apps like CRM, sales, and invoicing, and explore the free trial to test feature risk-free, and visit Odoo documentations for deeper learning. This is the Odoo documentation. You just need to be search is Odoo documentations, and here eventually you can see this is the documentation. You just need to be open it, and you just need to be read one by one all these things, and you will understand so much about Odoo. And always consider Odoo's hosted cloud or one premise options based on your needs. So there is a couple of apps we have. If you want to explore it, you can explore it because all are really amazing. So just click to the apps, and here you can see we have apps for restaurant, then invoicing, accounting, then email marketing, timesheets, project, e-commerce, studio. Then we have AI, artificial, like a powerful suite, AI tools and agent integrate directly into your Odoo environment, then DHL shippings, and many more. We have e-learning, WhatsApp messaging. Then let's find it out. Where is the website? Search for website and search it, and here you can see enterprise website builder, sell your product online, e-learning, manage and publish e-learning platform. Then you can create events, website, social marketing, live chat, even online jobs. So you just need to follow the similar step. Just click to the install, then click to the install, and it will take a while, and then it will install perfectly, and now you are ready to add it use. So here you can see our website has been created. Just click or follow this simple step, and here I will choose this is the blog business with main object to get develop the brand, inform customers, and then choose the color, about us, service, pricing, not pricing. Okay, you just need to choose one thing, privacy policy, and let's hit build my website, and it will build your website properly. You just need to choose your theme from that place. I am going to choose this one, and here eventually you can see building your website, applying your colors and design. This is the final things I saw you. This is so much easy. Now you can start your business with this Odoo platform, where you will find out all in one in a place. So I hope this will help you throughout your journey to grow your business, to start your business. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and business tools. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video with an interesting topic again.